Hello, everybody. Today we are going to fight next other Python challenges. Take notebook and have a seat comfortably. Let's the code begin. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. The first exercise sounds like: write a Python program to calculate the difference between a given number and 22. If the number is greater than 22, return twice the absolute difference. In this task we learn more about if-else statement. Go to the solution. Next task. Write a Python program to test whether a number is within 100 of 1000 or 2000. On the picture it shows absolute value function graph. In this solution we will use abs function. Let's see. The third task. Write a Python program to calculate the sum of three given numbers. If the values are equal, return 3 times their sum. The solution can be interesting. Next task. Write a Python program to get a newly generated string from a given string whereas has been added to the front. Return the string unchanged if the given string already begins with is. Let's solve it. The fifth task. Write a Python program that returns a string that is n, non-negative integer, copies of a given string. We will see at lambda variant, short and long solution. Next task. How to check if a number is odd or even. Write a Python program that determines whether a given number, accepted from the user, is even or odd, and prints an appropriate message to the user. Next task. Write a Python program to count the number 4 in a given list. We will solve it with lambda variant and long solution, using list count method and just int numbers. And the last task for today is write a Python program to get n non-negative integer copies of the first m characters of a given string. Return n copies of the whole string if the length is less than m. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.